Good morning, students. How are you, dear Petines? I hope you all are fine, good, and safe at home. We are on the online class, and this is our chapter 3rd we are going to start. That is synthetic fibers and plastic. In this topic, we are going to study few topics such as fibers, type of fibers, polymers, type of synthetic fibers. In that, we are going to study rayon, nylon, and polyester with their uses. So, we all aware with the type of fibers. We get it from the plants that we get from the jute, grass, coir, hemp, flax. From many conditions, we are getting the fibers. So there are two types of fibers, beta. Synthetic fiber and natural fiber. So in natural fibers, we are getting from plants, that is cotton, linen, silk, wool. And synthetic fibers are made in factories like viscose, acrylic, nylon, polyester. These are made in the factories by using the chemicals. Let's take the differentiate between them. One by one. It is obtained from nature, and synthetic fibers is completely man-made. The fiber structures cannot be changed. The fiber structures can be changed. It is comfortable to wear. It is not as comfortable as natural fibers. No chemicals are needed for processing. Various chemical substances are required for processing. It has its glowing natural color. Color are added as required. In natural fibers, it is environment friendly. And in synthetic fibers, some fabrics are harmful for the environment. These are the different shades. So next, we are going to study what are polymers. Let's see. Monomers with the method of polymerization is built up into a polymer. Like it's a chain-like structure. From the single unit, we are getting many polymers. Let's study in detail from the book. We'll take about 12 paper clips and join them together to make a long chain. In both the examples, a large number of beads or clips are joined together to form a long chain. So beads are paper clips in a smaller unit when joined together to form a large unit. See, from these beads we have built up a long chain that's called necklace also while using these beads. And with the paper clipping also we have made one chain, a long chain. That's what they are saying, that monomers are the single unit, and while combining them we are forming the polymer. See, same what happened over here. One single units are there, and when we are combining them, then a polymer is formed. That method of making a chain is called polymerization. Got it? Okay. Let's give you the definition. A synthetic fiber is also a long chain of smaller units which are joined together. Each small unit, a chemical substance, is called monomer. Many such smaller units or monomers join together to form a large single unit called a polymer. A monomer is a small molecule which can combine together end to end in a large number to form a larger unit called polymers. So what I have shown you, how a polymer is formed. So you have to learn this definition. A polymer is a very large unit formed by the combination of large number of smaller molecules called monomers joined end to end by chemical bonds. And what is polymerization? The process by which joining together to form a small molecule to a large molecule, like monomer to polymer. Okay. So let's take about few polymers. Polymers are of two types, cross-linked and linear polymers. Like this I can show you. Linear polymer is a single chain-like structure, and a branch polymer is You can see in the figure where branches are coming out. And cross-linked network is there. It's come under branch polymer only. So again, I'll come to this differentiate. Cross-linked polymer is made up of chains that are joined together by a series of a covalent bond. And linear polymer is made up of polymers joined together end to end, resembling the beads in a necklace. That is, from like this, they are joining like a necklace. And cross polymers, of course, they are joined together, but they are in the covalent bond structure. So example is thermosets and elastomers. Here includes the thermoplastics only. We will study them in detail. Okay. So this suit what a person has wearing over here, what it is made up of? It is made up of a Nomex like a polymer, which is good to protect it from fires. And the astronauts are going to wear this, and even the car drivers are wearing it so that the fire will not get inserted and a person can be saved inside this suit. So it's a very good example of a polymer. After building this kind of structures, Nomex like a polymer can be made. So let's study the type of synthetic fibers. We will study in detail one by one. Type of synthetic fibers. See the structure, how the fibers are. A person is wearing the cloths. All are made up of fibers, of course. They are built in the factories, which we are not getting as a man-made things. So synthetic fibers we are going to study over here is first is rayon, second is nylon, third is polyester and acrylic. So we are going to take them one by one. So these all are built up in the factories. So let's take rayon first. Rayon. Rayon first is found in China, where it is made from the silk fibers, and these silk fibers are obtained from the silkworm. When we are wearing them, we are getting it. It's a secret of China. But silk fibers are expensive, of course, and many products are built up. Of course, they are very expensive and looking very gorgeous also. Like we can see, these beautiful dresses are made from silk, but they are expensive. Now this rayon has built up in the laboratories by the scientists. Threads are built up, threads are made at the end of 19th century. It was prepared. Now these are made by the chemical treatment of the wood pulp. Yes, that we get it from the plants. And it resembles like a silk. That is, we get it from the silk fiber. Now, artificial silk is named as rayon because it resembles like a silk and we have get it from the plant wood pulp only. So, it is not fully synthetic. Now the comparison starts that artificial silk is not so expensive. It saves our money in comparison to silk also. And it is quite helpful for us to buy them. Even many threads are being built up with these chemicals and uses of rayon was increased day by day. As rayon is mixed with the cotton fibers to make bed sheets, and rayon mixed with the wool to make carpets. Many uses has built up now. Now a lot of use of rayon has increased nowadays. Next topic take us nylon. Nylon is again a synthetic fiber and many ropes are built up with this synthetic fiber. Now it is prepared from coal. Yes, coal, water, air together we are forming this synthetic fiber. We are getting it from the plants. So no plant part is used, and this nylon is not made from the plants. It is true and completely a synthetic fiber. Yes, and it's a full and true synthetic fiber that is made from the air, water, and coal. Ropes are made of it and they are very, very stronger than the steel wires also. Yes, from stronger than the steel wires, and they are unbreakable and very elastic also. So this is one of the property. It's good elastic property. Its stretchability is very good. Yes, it is not going to break very easily. And even it is lighter than other fibers also. Yes, they are lighter and stronger. Let's see some applications and uses. So nylon is used to build up the socks, ropes, and these ropes are used to prepare the tents. Toothbrushes because they are very flexible. Of course, curtains because they didn't get the creases, and seat belts also in the cars, and even parachutes also. So these are the applications where nylon is used nowadays. After that, I like to show you an activity where it shows the stretchability and thickness. Take the wire. I'll show you. Take a wire, put some weight over here on this pen and attach it with a clamp and a stand. Test one by one, first cotton, then wool, then silk and nylon. From this activity, we come to know that nylon has the maximum capacity to stretch the things. Right? Okay. Let's take further polyester. Polyester is again a very good synthetic fiber. It is also having many uses to make the cotton skirts, shirts, and polyester many. Because why we are making the shirts and all? Why? Because they didn't get the crease and they are very easy to wash also. The stain will not going to be fixed over here, and suitable to make dresses material also. Many type of material is also built up with this polyester. So comparative to cotton, it is more better. One more product over here is terylene. So terylene is made up of PET, that is polyethylene tetraphthalate. From this polyester, many saris are built up, tetracolline shirts are built up, bottle films are built up, many utensils are also built up, and wires also being built up. With this thread, many suits are built up, even belts, trousers, shirts, and sailboats, and curtains, and many dresses are built up. Okay, now let's take the acrylic, one more synthetic fiber, and it's quite interesting. When we are comparing it with wool, we find that it is more cheaper than it and more efficient than it. The reason behind this is it is lighter in weight and it is warm and even giving the same warmthness that wool is giving, but it is cheaper than it and lighter in weight too. So it is made to make the sweaters, shawls, blankets in comparison to wools. Okay, so that's all for today's topic. That is, we have covered all the part of rayon, nylon, polyesters and acrylic fibers too. So see this video and try to learn the concept. Till then, thank you. Stay safe.